HCF, and the full form of HCF is H means highest, C means common, and F means factor. And the very important thing I would like to tell you here, that the full form of HCF works like a map. Just like in the movies people use map to find the treasure, means जैसे कि movies में लोग मैप को यूज करते हैं खजाना ढूंढने के लिए. Similarly we will use the full form of HCF, that means highest common factor, to find the HCF of given numbers. Okay, the numbers which are given to us, they can be 2 or 3 or 4 and 5. So we will use the full form of HCF like a map. So for which this is our step 1, this is step 2, and this is step 3. Means we will use this map in reverse position, right? First of all we will find out the factors of the given numbers, then after that we will find out the common means common factors, and the third step is highest of those common factors. So let's take an example. Suppose I am taking an example of 12 and 18. So here I want to find out the HCF of 12 and 18. So just like we have this in map, step number 1, which is factors. So first of all we will find out the factors of both the numbers. So I am writing here factors of 12 and factors of 18. These two are step number 1. So as I think you all must be aware how to find out the factors of 12 and 18 or any other number. So let's start. I am telling the simplest way to find out the factors. So the method is, let's start with 1. So in table of 1, as we all know, 12 will come 12 times. So we can write here 1 and 12 both, because 12 will come in table of 1 12 times. Means I am writing here 1 12 times 12. So we can write these both number 1 and 12 I have written here by putting commas. After 1, these two next number 2. So in table of 2, this 12 will come 6 times. 2 into 6, 12. So once again write these two numbers, that 2, 6. After 2, reach to next number, which is 3. So in table of 3, 12 will come 4 times. I am writing here 3 into 4, that is equals to 12. So once again I will write here 3, 4. These two numbers are written here. After 3, what comes? 4. But 4 is already done here, so we will stop here. That means here we have written all the factors of 12. So this is the very simplest way to find out the factors of any number. But for this you must know the multiples of the numbers, or I should say the tables of the numbers. So now I am erasing it. Next one is factors of 18. So how can we find out? The method is same. Let's start with 1. That 1 18 times 18. So write 1 and 18 both. Then after 1 2. So 2 9 times 18. So I write here 2 and 9. After 2, what comes? 3. So 3 6 times 18. So I will write here 3, 6. After 3, what comes? 4. But as we all know very well that in table of 4 we will not get 18. So we will skip this number 4. So these two next number 5. Similarly in 5 is also not a factor of 18. Any 5 के table में भी 18 नहीं आता है. So we will skip that number also. Next one is 6. But 6 is already done here, as you all can see that 6 is already done. So we will not move further 6. Okay, so all the factors of 18 are also done. That means step number 1 is completed. So this is done. So now the chance is for step number 2, that means common. So common means in step number 2 we have to find out the common factors. Common factors. So here also I will tell you the method to find out the common. So you can just select any one series, either this one or this one. Don't get confused and check again and again here. Don't get confused like this. Just hold only one series, either this or this. आपको केवल एक ही सीरीज पर फोकस करना है, या तो उस पर या इस पर. So always you have to choose the सीरीज विच हैज लेस नंबर, यानी आपको उसको चूज करना है इसमें लेस नंबर दिए यानी कि लेस फैक्टर्स दिए हैं। बट अभी हमें देख रहे हैं कि लगभग दोनों के पास सेम ही है, बट अगर किसी के पास कम फैक्टर्स होते हैं तो आपको हमेशा उसको ही चूज करना है। बट हियर यू कैन चूज एनीवन, सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद दिस, और वी कैन टेक दिस आल्सो। सो लेट्स टेक दिस वन। जैसे मैंने इसको ले लिया, मैं इससे चेक करूँगा। ओके, सो आपको चेक कैसे करना है, just take only first number. Okay, start with first. It's like you have here 1, so check whether 1 is given here. Yes, 1 is given, so circle it and write in common 1. Then next number is 18. Do we have 18 here? No, so that means we will not write here 18. Next, reach to next number 2. So do we have 2 in this list? Yes, 2 is here, so circle it and write here. The next is 9. Do we have 9 in this? No, so don't write 9. Reach to next number 3. Do we have 3 here? Yes, it's here, so circle here 3 and write here 3. Last number is 6. Then do we have 6 here? Yes, 6 is here, circle it and write here 6. That means here we have completed the next step, that means common. यानी कि आपको ऐसे ही चेक करके आपको कॉमन फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं कि किसी भी आपको फर्स्ट सीरीज को पकड़ना है, मींस फर्स्ट सीरीज को आपको कोड करना है which has less number of numbers or less factors. So this step number 2 is also done. Next is step number 3, that means the highest. That means here we will complete and we will get the SCF of the numbers. That means highest. Highest means which is the highest. We have to select here. I am just writing here HCF. As I have directly written here HCF means the third step we will complete here. So we have to check here that which is the highest one. Highest we all can see 6 is the highest one. Okay, so you don't need to circle here. You can just observe here that 6 is the highest from these common factors. So 6 is the HCF of given numbers 12 and 18. I hope you all would have understood this, and always keep remember whenever you are finding the HCF of any numbers, either 2 number, 3 number, 4 number and so on, always keep remember that the HCF of given numbers can be only equal to the any number, यानी वो जो नंबर है उनमें से किसी की इक्वल हो सकता है या फिर उनसे स्मॉलर. Means there are only 2 possibilities that the HCF of numbers can be either equal or less than that. So I hope you all would have clear, okay, with these 2 numbers 12 and 18. But after this I am taking, let's take one more number, 24. I am taking 12, 18 and let's take third number is 24. So how will we do now? So I have taken same number, 2 numbers are same, 12 and 18. I have just increased one more number there. Okay, so how will we do this now? Let's start the first step once again. This I am showing you how will you write if we have 3 numbers. Okay, but because the method is exactly same. So once again I am just erasing these because now we can have other common factors. So I am erasing it. Yes. Now let's start. That the factors of 12 and 18 are already done. Now we have to find the factors of 24 also, right? So factors of 24. So how we are going to do this? Once again, as I told you, that start with 1. So 24 first is 1 24 times. So I have written 1 and 24. Then in table of 2 we will get 24 2 12 times. So 2 and 12. Similarly in table of 3 we will get this 3 8 times. After 3 next number is 4. So 4 6 times. So 4 and 6. After 4 what comes 5, but in table of 5 we won't get this 24. Next number is 6, but 6 is already done here. So that means stop here. The factors of 24 are also completed. So step 1 is done. Next step is common. So here in step 2 we have to find out the common factors. Common factors. So here also you can only any one series. आपको कोई एक सीरीज लेनी है. तो जैसे कि मुझे अभी दिख रहा है that the first series has less number of factors. So this time I'm taking this one. So I'll check from here, just like 1. So 1 I have in this list 1. So I'll check that 1 must be in both. Okay, in both series. Like 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here. So 1 is common in all. Next is 12. I have 12 in this series, and 12 must be in these two both series. In दोनों ही series में 12 भी होना ही चाहिए. Then only we can say that 12 is common. So 12 we have here, but here we don't have 12. So no need to check the third one. Otherwise you all can see we have 12 here. But as it is not given in this one series, so we will not take 12 as a common. These two next one number, which is 2. So 2. Now we want to have 2. So 2 is here. Now checking this one, 2, yes. So 2 is given in all 3 series, in all 3 lines. So 2 is common. So once again you write here 1. We have already circled. Next is 2. Thereafter 6. 6 in list we have 6 here. Similarly 6 is here. So 6 is given in all 3 series. So let's write 6 also. The next is 3. So 3, 3 and 3. So just circle 3. And last is 4. So 4 is not given in this, so no need to check this also. Okay, so here it is completed. So the common factors are 1, 2, 6 and 3. So once again the last step is highest. So choose the highest factors from these all given factors, as we all can see, which is 4, which is 6. So finally the third step is HCF, that is 6. So I hope you all would have completed this and must have understood the method of finding the HCF. And after this we have some more methods to find out the HCF that we will discuss in the next video. So I hope first of all you can practice by using this method, and this will help you and me to also to find out the HCF of given 2 or 3 numbers. And last I would like to say thanks for watching it.